Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with yet another interesting topic of math, that is pattern and symmetry. Symmetry is a fundamental part of geometry, nature and shapes. It creates patterns that help us organize and decorate our world conceptually. We see symmetry and patterns every day but often don't realize it. So, isn't it interesting to know about them? So let's begin this chapter. Let's have a look at these two images of butterflies. What is special about them? The first butterfly looks exactly the same from both the left and the right side, while the second butterfly does not look the same from the left and right side. So, the first butterfly has the symmetry on both the sides, but the second butterfly does not have the symmetry. So symmetry is defined as a balanced and a proportionate similarity which is found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Line of symmetry. The imaginary line or axis along which you fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called the line of symmetry. Basically, the line of symmetry divides any figure into two equal and identical halves. It basically divides an object into two mirror image halves also. The line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal or diagonal. There may be one or more lines of symmetry. Now here are the examples of lines of symmetry. There are two pictures. In first picture, the lines are dividing the figures into two equal and identical halves. Means the first half is the mirror image of the second half. So this is called the line of symmetry. But in the second picture, the lines are not dividing them into equal halves. So these are not the lines of symmetry. Now what is symmetry? The image which can be divided into identical halves are called symmetrical. The images that cannot be divided into identical halves are called asymmetrical. If we fold any symmetrical figure, we find that one half exactly covers the other half. Now, mirror image. You must have seen so many times, if we keep something in front of the mirror, it reflects the image of the figure as it is. So here you can see the mirror image of some alphabets. So line of symmetry basically does the same thing. It shows us the mirror image of the figure. Now patterns. Patterns are shapes, designs and a group of numbers that repeat themselves in a predictable manner. Examples. Here are some figures. You can see that a circle and a square are repeating themselves. So what will be the next figure? Yes, it will be a circle. Second example. There are big and small stars. So what will be the next figure? Of course, it is a big star. Now if we see the numbers, so there is a pattern. You can see the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F and the numbers in decreasing order 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So what will be the next number? Yes, it will be G3. So these are the examples of patterns. More examples for number patterns. First is 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729. So here what is the rule? Rule is multiply by 3. Then you get the next number. Second is 512, 256, 128, 64, 32, 16 and 8. So what will be the next number? So you can follow the pattern. The rule is divide by 2. If you keep dividing by 2, you will get the next number. Another example, 2, 5, 10, 13, 26, 29, 58. So you see a rule that we are adding 3 and multiplying by 2. Then you get the next numbers. Fourth is 12, 10, 50, 48, 238, 11, 90. So here you see the pattern, subtract 2 and multiply by 5. So you have to follow the pattern, you have to understand the pattern so that you can write the next digits or next number or next figure. Now, geometrical patterns based on symmetry. Maths is really a very interesting and artistic subject. So here are some examples of geometrical patterns that are based on symmetry. These are just few examples. You can create many more based on your imaginations. So this is how maths is very important and very interesting and very artistic subject. I hope you learned a lot. If you've learned and if you've liked the video, please share it and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.